guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, today I got this ideal door with the easy set torsion system. And you can see I got it taken apart up there. So initially I was called out to replace the cables because one of the cables was really frayed. And upon loosening the spring tension, the part that the end cone on the spring attaches to, where it snaps inside of the plastic piece, they broke. So it won't stay inside of the winding unit. And you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see these little plastic tabs.
How on earth did this happen?
So they broke off, not allowing that cone to snap in there and stay in place. You can see this little D spot right there. Right there's that one. And it just locks into place in there. No! So I'm gonna put a new one on there and get everything squared away. If your spring won't stay inside of this, more than likely, you gotta replace this guy, which is like 25 bucks plus tax. And right here's the replacement part. Excellent. And yes, they are labeled left and right. So when you take your old one off, get you a lefty if it says L. But yeah, you can see right here on the new one, those plastic tabs, they have that curve piece that locks into the winding cone. Looks a lot different from that.
Wait a minute.
All right, there's the new one. Got it on there.
Ta-da!
Spring is clipped in the end, where before you push the spring over into it and it would just pop right out. Got the drum set. I'm ready to wind it up. All right, got everything all put back together. Spring wound up, replaced the winding units, replaced both cables. Adjusted this Chamberlain opener, belt drive.
Be very, very quiet. Bruh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go, guys. Works like a champ. The winding unit. If you have to do any kind of repair where you're messing with the easy set spring tension, you just might as well go ahead and count on replacing that thing because those plastic tabs break really easy. So if you got any questions, please comment, like, and subscribe. Talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.
Dude.